my name is Liz. I'm one of the clinicians here at Lund. So today I'm going to show you guys what to do if a bracket's bothering you in the lips, in the cheeks, in the back, how to fix it with the wax, and if the wax isn't working or if you don't have wax at home, what else you can do. So let's say that one of your brackets is bothering your lip or your cheeks. What you can do is you want to pull out your little wax here, and when you open it, it looks like this. It comes in little strips. You'll grab a strip and you'll kind of just pinch a little ball like that. And then with your fingers, you'll quickly just mold it into almost like a square, circle, spot, something like that. And then you'll grab your little ball of wax and a little mirror here, and you'll stick it onto whatever's bothering you. So it could be a bracket here in the front. You'll just, with a little bit of force, push it onto the tooth, and it's gonna create a little pillow. So when you put your lip over it, that bracket will be rubbing on your lip. If you're having a hard time with the wax sticking onto your teeth, my little tip for you is to make sure that that spot is really dry. So some things that you could do is you'll want to kind of, this is a little silly, but you'll want to kind of suck out all the saliva. So you'll do something like this, and that will get all the saliva out of the spot. If that's not working, you can use a little Q-tip, and with the Q-tip, you'll rub the tooth kind of like this and get it dry. If this isn't working, you can use like a little napkin or a paper towel, rub it until it's nice and dry, and then you'll grab your wax again and just stick it right on top of what's bothering. So let's say you're at home and something's bothering you and you don't have any wax. What you can do is you can use a gauze pad, you can use a napkin, you can use some paper towel to help cushion it. So what you'll do is, say this is our napkin, you'll rip off a little piece like that, and you'll roll it up into a ball, and you're going to use this with your saliva to kind of act as the pillow. So you'll use your finger, kind of hook it up, kind of like a fish hook, and you'll pull your lip out of the way like this, and then with that napkin, you'll just push it on to whatever's bothering you, and then with that saliva, it should start to mold on there, and then you can just put your lip on top of it, and it'll kind of act as a pillow for you. So let's say while you're sleeping and you're kind of sleeping on your cheek here and the brackets are pushing on your cheeks and hurting, what you can do is grab a little cotton roll like this. Again, use your finger with that little hook to pull your lip out of the way like that. And then you're gonna rest this cotton roll on top of the bracket. So it'll look something like this. You'll ring it up like that, and then just kind of set your lid on top of it so it's something of a cushion while you're sleeping. So those are some of the tricks that have helped me with my braces. I hope they can help with yours. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to us. We are always here to help, and we can't wait to see you at your next visit.